Hey everyone, day 3 on the Learning to TIG. Shout out to @StupidCreations on Instagram for giving me a few tips. And so I've increased the cup size to 7, and he told me to dial down the heat a bit. So I'm gonna go from, I was at about 115 on the last weld. I'm gonna put that down to like 90 and see how we go. And I've sharpened up the tip on the tungsten so it's more pointier. And that's the technical term, more pointier. Yeah, let's see if we can focus in there. Anyways, it might need to be steeper than that. I don't know. So hey, we'll see what happens. And I think I got it figured out to do a little video of the actual welding, so then you can really tell me what I'm doing wrong. So those two passes here are these two, and I'm definitely, and these were from just before. I was trying to video these, but they didn't come through. I didn't have my little mount here all fabbed up on a piece of wood, so that can burn too, just like the table. And you know what, they're getting there. More comments and criticisms allowed. These ones here, I had the gas down at like, it was around like 8 to 10 CFH. These ones, I turned it up a bit, and I'm not sure if I like that more, or it's up around 15 CFH. It kind of seems like it's blowing the puddle around a bit more than on these ones. But hey, comment below. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel, check out the Instagram page, and keep the comments coming about what I'm doing wrong and how to do it better.